Hi, my name's Dan Brown, and for this week's tip, I'm going to cover a couple basics on marketing. So here's a little drill, a little exercise I'd like you to do. I want you to take your entire month's marketing spend, and I want you to divide that by the number of new patients you're getting. Now that's going to give you your patient acquisition number. So say you're spending $10,000 a month on marketing collectively, and I want you to take every avenue, every dollar you're spending. $10,000 a month. Divide that by 50 new patients. That's going to give you your patient acquisition number. So you need to know what that number is, and I want you to graph that on a monthly basis very minimally. It's going to tell you what is it costing for me to get new patients. Now, when you're getting a new patient or when you get a new patient phone call, this is what it's costing you to get that phone to ring. So at your front desk, there should be a log, and that log is a hard copy log that you can visually see whenever you walk up. And on that log is going to have the name of the person, first and last. It's going to have their telephone number, and then your front desk is going to find out how they found out about you. After that, you're going to find out what the subject is. So they're calling because they've just relocated and they're looking for a new dentist, or they're looking for a free second opinion. So you're going to have that column, which follows their telephone number. After that, did the person schedule or did they not schedule? Okay, and that's your conversion. Subsequent to that, you're going to have to post-populate the following fields. And what I mean by post-populate is you're going to fill these out in a later point. The next field is, did that person arrive and show up for their appointment? And if so, did that person buy anything, and what was that value? So you're going to put those in fields following that. So obviously the date, the time, the person's name, the person's telephone number, why they called, did they schedule, and if they scheduled later, did they show up? And if they showed up, did they pay and to what amount? What you're finding out then is what is your conversion ratio and what are your marketing campaigns generating for you? From this you can do an analysis to find out what campaigns are working and to what value are they producing. Now, you might have this log already in your existing system, whether you use Dentrix or another system, but we're going to tell you we're going to suggest that you actually use this log in a hard copy form that you can visually inspect. And another reason is it's a tension point for your front desk. Is the front desk taking the time to get the person's name, to get the person's telephone number, and then to find out where that person came from? These are super important things to do, and not every front desk person feels comfortable in doing so. So that's the tip that I'm going to leave you with. Hope that tip helps. And if you like tips like this, additionally than what you're seeing here, go ahead and click that subscribe button. We'll take care of you.